Ora basinya sekola no a sonoku ta seko panapa sekola no. We understand about the Solomon, right? Solomon is the daily provision. It's a higher thing. Okay. Second thing is that Solomon has wisdom. Okay. Wisdom. We understand about this both is very important to us, and how to plan it every day we should eat, and how to plan it every day for provision. Look like the ark, okay, ark, the promission, and then they had to be bringing to the Solomon. Okay, I want to read for you something here, little bit here. The First King chapter 4, okay, First King chapter 4, verse 20. I want to start it now. The people of Julius and the Israel were as numerous as the sands on the seashore. They ate, okay, and the seashore they ate. They drank, and the rulers over all the kingdom from the river to the land of the Palestine, as far as the borders of Egypt. Those, okay, they call the country browse, tributes, and where Solomon subjects all his life. When he predicted Mano, Solomon is Teba Poala Tamnitimile. Pain is Judah or Israel, our di male ho, pain your son, added the male ho, ho, poleni ethuni, do uwe do owe do thakuelo, uwe owe do thaku, o do thaku, thakuelo, but thing I see call it Tathit Panama. Do Kimitimini pay David. And Solomon ruled over all the kingdom. So pa Solomon aware pagitermana, aware purwera, purwera la pagitermana, pagiterman dilla all the kingdom sit down and made out la bomu kilakasi aware purwera, from the rivers to the land of the Palestine. I went to the la pagitermana t Glow dot to pa Palestine, Panido Teramana as far as the border of Egypt, to the no Pagama Egypt a border stand to the Egypt, a wethy Atalotakle, not to the pay anonymous. These countries browse tributes and where Solomon subjects all his life. Pagitema Winnie, Pacropatupatha Tamlin, pay name, so Solomon sopa, Kesopala, bomb killer poco, there are bomb killer poco. La over Timu Papa, pop, Pelisatha po, a co, do pearl to a hero, not to look a copy to put her. Do Pahesu, well, no co part, do no Pagatamala, Maso Solomon ata, so Solomon ata, as the Suda or, so Solomon ata the Suda or. Then go out of Pagale Quas Sicola, Pagatamala Kissy, Kissikini, not Deba body, pay Solomon, daily provision. Daily provision tauta all the Nibata Nileta all of them, There are well 30 corns, I want to meet all Pagatetti Madele, Tauta Penny name. Solomon ata all a mutiny one me cocomu, not pre kadi, a good 30, not 30 corn. Penny a good 30 of 5 floors and 60 corn of meal. I want to Pagatetti Mala. Penny tauta on me where a cocomu, the seed of cocomu, a cook who see, 60. Penny or Pagatetama, Pagaledo Pedo, Debra lamb. 10 heads of steel feast cattle, 20 ox postures feet no pagter maro four little kuda ro pakekwa hello okay Travis feet no hello Travis feet no pay ro pakele pay ne gope kisidu okay gope kisidu gope la aphu a class kisi dot todriya dot ta you dot ta ho no sbi dot ta you ya amo dot two polipo aboro two polipo abo mano kora aboro no pane patinya no pane two polipo abo for he rules over all the kingdom west of the river from the Tafasa to Gaza and has peace on all sides no pagiter ma awani awe pewara no awe pewara khele kasilo tera pay ni no pagile kwa agide e no ata le ko no pagiter ma le pera le ko binya le o we le timu pwa e ko le ab no le ki pasa pe le Gaza le keye sopa phoku o le timu pwa e ko lo do ta khu ta phu o we le ko he te pulala watery we lo no ta khu ta phu peace no awene no peace o we da no pagade ma awene no ta khu ta phu o we te pulala sit ko lo no pa ro kisi lui ni pagale kwa le kisi lui ni mo no pain no kisi lui do kisi ye ni tira during Solomon lifetime Judas and Israel not tira la pagade ma la so Solomon ata umu pu ni pain no le Solomon amuni kele ni no lifetime sidan ni amuni no Judah do Israel o khathna dira Judah do Israel ni o wara khathna no pain no pain from Dan to Beersheba no pain live in safely no each man under his own finance and fish tree no pagana each own pagana mala awathe alo clear ba no tira each own sita ne no paini pakale pale kwa sikola kisi ye ne no dolo so slomo amuni kele ne yuda ro israel akhathana pa owele spe mu do pa owele akha no akhade aphola sisu le da pele bisaba ro no pele bisaba paini no owe paini kisi khune tebra de le Solomon has 400 no pretend mala still for Charles horse and 12,000 horse when a pretend mala payne alikaha uwara pretend ma no 4,000 no 12,000 on a pretend mala akathi no uwara 4,000 4,000 and Louis Gato no pretend ma Louis Gato no 12,000 a kito no akate o kito no alikaha ne uwara Louis Gato no pretend ma alikaha ne when a patinya siko ke pagile kwale pay de sepo so Solomo uwara akate de Louis Gato le alikaha ago do pakati tupu no tekala kito lo no awetera tekala kito awani pagate ma le tinya ma no awani kwera di lo ma no payro 27 ne tebra di le 27 ne ma no 27 ne the district official each in his month supplies the provision for King Solomon and all who came to King table they saw to it thus no pagate ma nothing was lacking no nothing was lacking pagina talot to lokaba ba pagite ma din ma no nothing was lacking pagite ma talot to lokaba din e tu no away ni pagate ma la kisinui atapa flower ni tewida di le no pay no do padu phado to pha ni kate kato ta all so Solomo awo do pagite ma no do le kaye pwa le hewesu sopa no sopa Solomo asono ko golo tegala alada we no pader mala tebi pu tegala alada we tebi pu ni dota la at the aba temimini to uba normiva, tala at the aba temimini to uba normiva. Okay, without no good at all. So slumu atamu ugani bagitenamana over oku opwe over lilipwe. Okay, Solomon is the Latin is the provision, very good thing. Okay, whatever okay they want he wants he will get it. Okay, everything. Here we want to keep going to the Solomon wisdom. Now wisdom. We should think about the Solomon wisdom is very important thing too. Okay. Here, Penny, Deborah Solomon wisdom, no? Deborah in there. Now, God gives Solomon wisdom and very grace insight. No, Penny, no, Pagitano Mala, Kasaya, Hira, Sopa Solomon, no, Atakuthi, no, Penny, Pahesu, Buhu, no, low dealer, no, Kathi, dog, Kathi, Makathi, a clear part of su a law penny. Tagadi a senior to ne susulo, not a gala a senior dini to susulo. Penny terra. They also brought to the proper place their quota of bellies and draw from the Charles horse and the other horse. A penny pretender manam. I can see the passes. Penny. God gives Solomon wisdom and the very grace insight sitan and me dominate me. No, Kiziquin does Wahilos, no Solomon takuthi, do Athusa atasa, dudukale, no Athusa atasa, takuthi do Athusa atasa, no very grace insight and a breath of understanding and meaning, no mysterious. As the sand on the seashore, when in up in the other sand on the seashore. Peniro Pagatiba learn or Athusat Painim. Takutiro Thusatasa Dudukle, do Athapa, no Athapale, no di, no male hole poleni, Athuni, no male hole poleni, Athu, Teve Beni, no. No, Peter Solomon wisdom, no, wisdom was greater than the wisdom of all the men of the east, and greater than all the wisdom Egypt. No, pretend malam. So Solomon aware ataku thine duni le, pretend ataku thile, ura le pakanyo de pala mutoraka dorkaraba. Doing the love, but get about what I could do for Atakuthi. Now, Solomon Atakuthi in tenement, over tenant. Now, Penny, he was wiser than any other man. Now, but now wiser than any other man, Sidani, Mitamaniti Milene. Penny, Terra Solomon Atakuthi, Dunini, Mutopo Atakuthi, do Akuputu Atakuthi, Kalanit Kilo, do Atakuthi Rini. Pakanyo killer, no ataku te rini pakanyo killer, no. Do penny do pagated mana, no. We are wiser than any other man, not including, not penny coral, including either the, not Paganama Israhi, wise than, not humans, no. Do pagated malo, Koko and Dada, no, Dada's the son of Maho, no, I want to pukwa middle Maho, no, and his fame, no, spreads to all the surrounding nation. I want to put it famous, no. Panido, Patinia Sicolo Tamatha way Sicolo per Napa or Thinny did up. No penny ataku the rini paganyo killer, no peg did malapani. Ne killer nirki lo no killer rini pa isra no pa isra kapu no so itha do so hima do so kaleku no so kalekula do so no dada do makula pukwar panirki no awane killer kasemo no Kilo do amihu thalo le kaye pwakale kele kla watery or I mean hutalo no when it bethinyo thisik or let tagi we penny no thisikini Debra like he spoke 3 no he spoke 3,000 prophets and his song numbers no and 1,005 no Penny no pagidam awakatu what attackatu duni no terala 3,000 prophets takatu ne 32 do run a thousand no gini terala 1,005 no pagidam mala pagidam mala yekatu but 1,000 no do penny no pagidam he no this is penny describe plant life from the cedar of Lebanon to the hassle that's a grow out of wall. He also taught about animals and the birds, retail and the fish, pagden ma animal panini kala kasini awema wala no. Penny pagdera mala penny dokatu do ata no katu ta ati 32 do pagdena mana no alitani uwe tekatu yeto no tekatu yeto debra no do pe do katu ta le thi klula tisu isha no tisu isha uwe le labano pele thi no kaplu isule ame tolle ta du alulo no awani pagdena do katu wele sapu kopu ageklu dollar tupoli pu ageklu dollar ta swa ageklu no dollar ta swa ageklu dollar dewu nyao ageklu lo no dewu nyao kle ageklu tupoli pu ageklu do pagitena mala no do sau pho ageklu no do pagitena ma tiu pho ageklu mane tewe komini lo no awani so sulumo takuthi mano tera ko midela no leta no kura paini katu arawara man of all nation come to listen to Solomon wisdom no pani no pa owara po kwadir palo ulo haku dot bini no dot plane hewe ro dugana ora so Solomon attackato no when attackato no head dugana ora so Solomon attakuthi mano attakuthi katu dane mano one by all the king of the world no pagitema sent by all the king of the world no ta solo wala no awe lo so patirba kele kase lo ku clear problem no who had heard of his wisdom no awane mitala no mata te phala ana who era ataku te agiklu ni lo no pain no pa hewele pagale kele kla Dito akana huso Solomon atakuthi lekaya hoku no asopa ule ana hu jile atakuthi age aklulo no we understand about that Solomon has the wisdom because God gave it him no and then a lot of people know him and he take care of the kingdom our kingdom he take care okay living peacefully no leta no koda pakra patu pata le tagi taklur khaini lo no okay my friends and my brother my sister we should think about so many things about the Solomon no happen no I want to read more about the Solomon but I want to start right here because 20 minutes is so far to listen okay I want to see you again later maybe tomorrow okay I want to see you God bless you God will give you wisdom too you will know exactly the Bible you will know the whole world okay you will know the proverbs okay? You will know the exactly something in the world God bless you okay may God with you the wisdom is very important thing to you, your household family, the whole your country. This means is that you will live peacefully. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother. God bless you all. See you next time.